I'm James, Boatshed MIDI canals. On board this Vripack model 1500 seagoing cruiser 1993, 35 tons, 14 meters 80 long, a beam of 4 meters 60, a draft 1 meter 50. She's been across the Atlantic. Second owner, electronics engineer. Owned her for 12 years. Well maintained throughout. Perhaps a little modernisation. 2 large cabins, double beds, heads, shower, galley, large saloon area, headroom throughout, 1 meter 87. Should make a great liveaboard. I'm James, Boatshed MIDI canals. If you'd like any more information with this Vripack 1500, please contact me at boatshedmidicanals.com.